everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you're doing great. Today's video is gonna be a quick one. So this video is gonna be for you if you're interested in making your own eye mask with the Ankara fabric. It's very easy and simple to make. I'm gonna show you how to make it in this video. I did make a couple and they're so easy that I made a couple of them in about 30 minutes, and as you're gonna see in a few minutes, I'll be showing you how to make these eye patches or sleeping eye mask. They are very easy to make. You love the process. I promise you it's not difficult at all. Even a beginner can make a project as tiny as this and hand sew it, even if you don't have a sewing machine. And yeah, that's it. I'm glad I could help. So if you find this video helpful, please thumbs up and like my videos. Please subscribe. Subscribing to my channel will only show me how much you appreciate my work. That's an indication for me to know who watches my video, what you like, and that's an encouragement on my part as well to continue uploading videos for you. So please, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and I'll be very appreciative of it. So thank you very much you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.